clean wig install and the perfect wave. Welcome back for wig member number 9. We are finally at the end of the week. So today's install is all about the clean look. If you haven't caught up with the wig member videos, playlist will be on my channel. All you have to do is click my name, go to it. When I tell you these curls are phenomenal, these aren't even curls, these are waves. This is the new Indian wave. And it might not be new to you, but hey, it's new to me and I like it, okay? I'm going to show you guys exactly what this wig is like, and then we're going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to get the most beautiful install like this. This install is so pretty to me. I can't even fake it. Like, I can't even be like, okay, it's all right. No. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button. Also, be sure to follow my other social medias, and it will also be linked in the description box along with this wig and everything that you need to know. So let's get into this install and let me get you right for the weekend. I don't know about y'all, but I had a long week. If you didn't know, I am a homeschool mommy. So this week has been really hectic trying to get everything together before Thanksgiving break. But today we're going to just do a cozy, clean install for the weekend. Let's talk about this wig. So this wig comes from Pretty Luxe Hair. This is their 13x6 mini knotless wig. It's in 22 inches and 150% density. Now, the one thing I love about today's style is the waves. This is their Indian wave. The waves are so pretty in this hair. This is the first time I've actually seen this texture from them, so I'm excited to install this wig. So what is a clean wig install? I bet you may be wondering. Is an install that looks very, very natural. It's no mess. It's easy to do. There's no hassle in it. The end of it, it's just going to look like it's growing from your scalp. Not too much, just enough type of look. This wig is perfect for that because it already comes really natural. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It has bleached knots. I did go back and use a little bit of this in the lace. We talked about all the steps earlier this week, so if you have missed this week's video, you probably are missing really good tips. It'll be there for you guys so you can catch up on all the videos. So I'm going to keep a middle part today. I feel like I do so many of the closure wigs that I haven't really had a chance to do a lot of styling with just the regular 13x6. I love the 13x6 because you get so much parting space and it looks a little bit more realistic when it comes to versatility. I am loving the feedback I'm getting on the Wig Member series. We are in Wig Member, Wig Member number 9. Shout out to everyone who sent me thanks. Shout out to everyone who have left a comment telling me your experience and what you have tried and what worked. A lot of times people come to my channel and see a pretty face and be like, oh, she's just trying to show off her prettiness. And it don't really be like that. Like, my channel really does have a lot of helpful tips. So for everyone who takes the time to watch the videos, because you have a clear understanding that I'm just not here just trying to be like, oh, look at me. No, I'm actually giving really helpful tips. So this is what we are working with right now. This is what the lace look like. I love the lace on this. It is definitely HD lace, clear as you can see. I'm also going to be installing with the boho liquid gold. Yeah, thank you, girl. You know who you are. Thank you so much for telling me to try it again. I'm glad I did. It's really good. So we're going to use this today to remove the lace. By the way, today I'm sipping on coffee again. It's decaf and I put peppermint in it. If you've never put peppermint in your coffee, like little peppermint, oh my god, it's just so good. I will put my social media, my cooking page down there. You guys, I be getting down. I'm just starting it up, so I'm just trying to get into the habit of it. So if you're into food, definitely check it out. I will link it below. As you can see already, I'm starting off with a wig that looks clean. It's put together. It's nice. Only thing I added was this. Less is more when it comes to getting a really clean look. You don't want the hairline to be really caked up with product or even glue. And if you watch my Monday video, you already know what type of scissors these are, and you already understand why I'm cutting back to the hairline. Now with the 13x6, you can wear it glueless if you would like. It's up to you. So are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? Have you prepared? Are y'all doing y'all shopping? I know everyone is like almost last minute shoppers when it comes to Thanksgiving. I think I'm gonna cook on a grill for Thanksgiving this year and just have a chill vibe. You know, I had a lot happen this year, so just kind of want to chill out. So I'm going to take some of the boho and put it on this. The key here is not to have a messy install. So keeping it controlled as you apply is really what's going to keep it looking clean. Now the boho says to work in sections. I'm just going to lay this across. Okay. Now if you're a beginner, you can do that. It has like a watery consistency, but it's strong. So now I'm gonna place the wig on top of that product, and now we're gonna take our dryer, press and dry it down, and then tie it down. Another tip is make sure the straps in the back are not tight when you do this, because it will create ripples once you release it. So you always want to do this when the straps are loose. All right, so just keep that tied down until the product is completely dry. If you pull it up too fast with this product, what's going to happen is it's going to stick. Your clean hairline is going to be messed up. So dry it down and then tie it down. This hair is so pretty out the box. I really don't want to do anything to it, but I do want to see what it looked like after you do something to it. I am going to wet it down and then redefine it and see what it looks like after. For this, I'm not going to be as detailed as I was in Wednesday video. If you need a routine for a deeper curl, check out that video. For a wavy style, I just kind of just take the spray bottle, spray it, and take my brush it through, leave-in conditioner, about that much. And the only thing different I'm going to change up is I'm not going to use the oil this time. A little bit of this hair mousse, and this is the olive oil Vigoro. I think that's how you pronounce it. Because we do want this to be as clean as possible when it comes to the look of it, while I'm using the hair mousse. We don't want any frizz. This hair is just so pretty. I am going to take my brush and rake through. This is so pretty. So pretty. Wow, wow. This is so pretty. Look at these waves. Oh, I can't even explain how pretty this is. I can't even stop saying it. It's just, I like this curl. I like the Indian wave. Super gorgeous. So let's go ahead and finish it up. The hairline looks good. This is what the hair looked like dry. It's so pretty. You guys see how gorgeous this is? Look at these waves. Like, they are so pretty and very lightweight, very comfortable. Have that clean look. You definitely don't want the hairline to be plastered down like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water, just a little bit on a brush. I am going to pull the hairs up out. Now normally what I would do is just take a dry brush and go across, but I realized that that causes flaking, and you don't want that when you want the lace to look nice. I'm going to create those short edges that we talked about in my last wig vimber, and this will ensure that the edge of that lace is not visible at all. I'm going to take my wax stick and just go down that parting, get rid of any flyaways so that everything can be smooth. You don't have to use heat here if you don't want to. You can use hair mousse. And when creating your short edges, you don't have to use any more product, because when we use the bowl hold, it's sort of like a gel. So if you just add a little water to your brush, it's gonna lay everything down. All right, so this is the finished result. It looks very clean, very put together. I absolutely love this style. Again, this wig is from Pretty Luxe Hair. It is their delicate hairline Swiss lace mini knotless Indian wave. This is a 10 out of 10. Like, I really like this. So this is what a clean girl install would look like. Like I said, you can tweak it for your needs. I like it. So everything will be below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it, and check out this playlist that pops out to you if you missed any of my wig vimber videos. I will see you all next week. I have some really great videos coming for you guys next week, and I'll see you then. Have a great weekend.